How's it going, guys? HJ here, and I'll be showing you how to apply your decal. So thank you so very much for your purchase. If you didn't purchase from me, that's okay. There's always the next time. So I'll be showing you how to apply this decal to a window of your car. So this part is just for your own entertainment, or maybe it's for my entertainment, just to show you guys the behind the scenes footage of what goes into customizing your decal. When you receive your decal, it will have transfer paper over top of it. Here you can see I'm applying the transfer paper. So what you'll do when you receive your decal is you'll press firmly. You can see here I am using a club card. You can use your hand, you can use a club card, you can use a credit card, you can use a potato, you can use whatever you would like. Just make sure that you are pressing firmly on your decal. So once you have pressed firmly on your decal, you can slowly lift up that transfer paper, and the decal should come with that transfer paper now. So slowly lift it up. If for some reason the decal is not coming up with the transfer paper, that's fine. Just push it back down and then apply a little bit more pressure. Okay, so you have your super sweet decal. First thing that you'll do is you'll find an area that you'd like to place it. If you're gonna place it on the back of your car, make sure that you do not place it where the windshield wiper will go. So first, you just clean the area. So this is just water and a damp paper towel. I don't recommend using any chemicals because it could leave a residue. So usually just water and a paper towel is what is best. Do not do this after you just waxed your car either. Again, there could be a residue. Then you can either use a wet or a dry paper towel and a microfiber cloth, and make sure to get it completely dry, nice and squeaky clean. Then what you can do is you'll make sure, using an amazing club card, you'll make sure that this is firmly pressed on the transfer tape. So you have the decal, over top of it is the transfer tape or transfer paper, and you're just gonna press down really hard to make sure that the decal sticks to the transfer paper. And then very carefully, I'm going to pick it up. You can see if it doesn't come off, use your hand, use your credit card, use whatever to press it harder on the transfer paper. And then you'll find a good area. If you do see any residue or any dust, make sure to remove that. And you can see exactly where you'd like it. Does that look about right? Mm-hmm. And then I start at one end, press down, and then slowly place it to the other end. Then again, with your hand, with a credit card, some people will have a squeegee, a craft squeegee. This is the easiest method that I found, or just your hand. You're gonna press firmly and then just start at one side, go to the other side, or you can start at the middle and work your way out because you don't want any bubbles. Press very firmly and then slowly remove the transfer paper. So you don't want to accidentally pick up any of the decal, like pieces like that could sometimes come off. So make sure that you press down hard enough. And then I'm actually pressing as I pull up. And slowly pressing down. Slowly. Now, if you do get any bubbles in here, you can try to press out. There is no bubbles, but let's just say there was. You can then try to press it out by working it out to the side, or you can take a little needle and press if there is a bubble, and you shouldn't be able to notice the needle print. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. You have a super sweet, happy Star Wars family. So enjoy.
I think it looks good.
I think it looks really good.
Which one too?
And last up close shot of this cute little Stormtrooper family. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to order your own decals, check me out on my website at hjartistry.com. Take care, guys.